How to set up Cron Jobs on Hostinger. Welcome to this tutorial on setting up Cron Jobs on Hostinger, a popular web hosting service. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to automate tasks on your Hostinger account, making it easier to manage your website and online presence. To start, log in to your Hostinger control panel and navigate to the Cron Jobs section. You can find this by clicking on the Cron Jobs tab in the top navigation menu or by searching for it in the search bar. Once you're in the Cron Jobs section, you'll see a list of existing cron jobs. Click on the Add New Cron Job button to create a new job. In the Job field, enter the command you want to run. This can be a script, a PHP file, or any other executable file. Make sure to include the full path to the file, including the domain and file name. In the Time field, specify the schedule for when you want the job to run. You can choose from a variety of options, including daily, weekly, monthly, and more. In the Minutes field, select the minute at which you want the job to run. This can be a specific minute or a range of minutes. In the Hours field, select the hour at which you want the job to run. This can be a specific hour or a range of hours. In the Days of the Week field, select the days of the week when you want the job to run. You can choose from Monday to Sunday. Click Save to save your new cron job. Repeat this process for each job you want to create. That's it. With these steps, you should now have cron jobs set up on your Hostinger account. Remember to test your cron jobs regularly to ensure they're working as expected. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more web hosting tutorials and tips. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative and helpful.